What you see here are two shapes, both of which are prisms. When we calculate the volume of a prism, we use the formula, cross-sectional area multiplied by length. Now, let's look at two more shapes. The one on the left is called a cube, and the one on the right is called a rectangular prism. While these shapes have specific names in geometry, they are essentially both prisms. Therefore, their volume can also be calculated as cross-sectional area multiplied by height. In practice, however, we often use the more familiar expression, base area multiplied by height. Next, let's take a look at this shape. It's a cylinder. Interestingly, the formula for the volume of a cylinder is also base area multiplied by height. However, a cylinder does not meet the definition of a prism. To make things easier to remember, we can unify the volume formulas for these shapes as base area multiplied by height. Now, let's look at the three shapes on the right, the cube, the rectangular prism, and the cylinder. If we reduce their volumes to 2/3 of their original size, what do they become? That's right, they turn into a pyramid and a cone. If you've learned the volume formulas for pyramids and cones, you'll know that they are calculated as 1/3 times base area, times height. So, when finding the volume of a pyramid or a cone, you simply take the formula for a prism and multiply it by 1/3. Do you see the pattern? Whether it's a cube, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, a pyramid, or a cone, all of these shapes, some of which are prisms, and some of which are not, share a common connection with the volume formula for prisms. To summarize, shapes like prisms use the formula, base area multiplied by height. Shapes like pyramids use the formula, 1/3 times base area, times height. Once you understand these two formulas, you'll be able to calculate the volume of nearly all major geometric shapes. The only additional formula you'll need to remember is the one for the volume of a sphere. Isn't it amazing how simple volume formulas can be? Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and support my channel. See you next time.